Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody weekend? Today's Monday, November the 10th. Coming to you from outside of Atlanta, Georgia. I have no idea. I think we're live. Sevens, if you guys can hear me this morning. Sevens, if you can hear me. Good morning, Glow. What's up, Mike Lewinsky? What's up, Glow? Good morning, Paul Orlando and Persistent, and Mike Jones, and Blackstone. Good morning, George. Good morning, Ellen. Good morning, Eli. All right, I'm testing out my phone version of the safety trade on, morning, Mr. Gold, on using my phone. Actually, my beautiful wife got me a brand new phone, which I did not want, but she got it for me anyways because she loves me, which I needed. I just ran out of memory. Anywho, what's up, Ellen? What's up, Taraya? Oh, you changed your name, Dark Lights to Blackstone. Got it. Just change it all the way to BlackRock and you'll own 90% of everything. All right. The sniper. So what we're doing here is, this is going to be my system for when I go on the cruise ship. So as long as I have these two phones, we'll be good. And I think it's working. I think Restream is actually working through my phone, which is unusual. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Morning, Lachey, Taraya, Ellen, Mr. Gold. Freeze warning. Yep, it's going to be chilly. All right, now let's see if I can restream. Can this one let me in too? So that way if I'm doing both, it wouldn't have an issue with things. Yeah, see, so this one is added in now. Can I share screen here with this? And then that one's there. Now, there we go. So if I have this open, it can go to there. Okay. So the question is, can you guys still hear me when this is full screen right here? Let's see if that's true. Good morning, A Patriots. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Good morning, everybody. I think can you guys still You guys can see the red arrow and you guys can still hear me clearly talking, yes or no? Yes, sounds good. Okay. So if that's the case, then I guess we're a go. Then this will be my YouTube restream channel. Let me go live on TikTok now. All right, I'm live on TikTok now. Good to see you too, Brexit. Good morning, George. Morning, Brexit. Yes, red arrow. Mike Jones says yes. Thank you, guys. Oh. All right, so we don't need the other microphone then if this is working, which this seems to be working. Which then, if it's working, but it's going through there, then it really doesn't need that, which means I can move this back. But if you're saying this sounds good, I guess I can leave it there. Thank you, Glow. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike Jones, Mike Lewinsky. Thank you, Brexit. All right, how's everybody doing this morning? I wonder if I did that. Does it still have sound? I just muted something. Sevens if we still have sound after me muting a button. I think I'm going to have to end the stream at 2 different places unless I bolt out of there. But if I keep that open, I think that would be good. Wow. Is that a... Yes, sounds good. Parlando sevens, 8-ball sevens. Oh, okay. So even though this one's muted, the other one's still good. All right. I haven't looked at anything in days. We have to look at a lot of different things this morning. I hope to God there's no news. Is there news this morning? I hope there's no news. All right. Let's take a look and see what we got, shall we? All right, I see a 15-seconder. Let's see what's going on now. We have a 5-second buy stop, US 30. Let's see. This is not what we want. This is not but cool, but not what we want. Let's see here. Interesting. Good morning, Matt. Morning, Kirk. Morning, Jesus. From the Dominican Republic. We're just in Dominican Republic, Kirk. Are you cruising over there? Yeah, let's get this a little different here. Is that right? 30-second sell. Let's see. All right. 5-second buy stop NAS. 5-second buy stop NQ. Take profit 25,539. SPX 5-second. Take profit $6,793. ES1 take profit 5-second buy stop demo only $6,817. Now, after those 5 seconds, let's see what's going on. 3-minute buy. Let me see. US 30 1-hour sell stop. $46,492 for US 30. YM1 1-hour sell stop. NAS 1-hour sell stop 24,830. SPX 1-hour sell stop $6,678.95. I obviously
demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I never do sells. The official call that I would take at this trade at this juncture would be the buy stop. It's a little late entry for you on the 12-hour buy on SPX. Take profit $6,844 on SPX. ES1. Also, the only trade I would take is an ES1 12-hour buy stop, demo only, $6,877. NQ1 12-hour buy stop, take profit $26,031.50. NAS, gorgeous 12-hour buy stop. I don't care if there's any news. Fuck the news. I ain't got time for it. 26,205. YM1 12-hour buy stop, take profit 47,753. US 30 12-hour buy stop, take profit $47,522.62. And that is an in-depth analysis, as tired as I am, for ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, YM1, and US 30. It'll do exactly as I said it'll do. Just take your time, follow your entrances according to the rules. You got the idea.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, George. Good morning, Goriliano. Jesus is trading SPX. You go, Jesus. Good morning, Terrence. Oh, low impact co. I don't give two fucks. Fuck the news. Good morning, Grant. All I ever care about on the news is the news is only matter FOMC with 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then you have sometimes you'll have the 2 morning newses, NFP, and then the other one, which is the only 2 important ones they have. The rest sucks ass. Morning, Bob. Morning, Grant. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. All right. Now, let's take a look at some other symbols because I haven't looked at these in forever. Gold and silver will be the same. There's your 12-hour gold buy. $4,212.26. That reminds me. Can I trade gold on Publix with my options? That doesn't look good. Let's see. Gold. Can you trade gold? A gold trust? Well, no. Let's actually see if we can do it. XAU. Let me cancel out of that. XAU. USD. No. XAU. No. Gold ETF. Goldman Sachs. A gold trust. See, I don't know about that. Fuck. We're going to have to wait. All right. Yeah, so that's not going to cut it today. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Flacco. Won't be reporting until government reopens. Oh, gotcha, Glow. Government reopens. A government shutdown. I swear, if you guys remember one thing, remember that we live in a clown world. But gold is a 12-hour buy for sure. Now let's see if we can get anything a little less pretty on this one. 15-second buy. $4,105. Take profit on a 15-second buy. 15-minute buys already done. 1 hour's done. 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 12 hour buy stop gold. 12-hour daily buy stop gold. Gold will be going up over 4,300. I can't believe gold's at 4,000. Jesus, fuck. 4,300 anyways for gold. And silver is doing the exact same thing as I told you. Silver will be going back over $52.92. Litecoin. It's had its moments of doom and destruction, but it's shot back up to 110, 112. Soon Litecoin will be over $122 again, and then Litecoin will be over $132 again. For the fourth time since I called it, you can make $100. As a matter of fact, one of our members got in at $56 a coin for Litecoin. Alas, I did not, but it is going to go back up again over $130 for the third or fourth time. Sorry, I think it's the fourth time now for Litecoin. So you'll have the ability to make 30% on your money 4 times with Litecoin. And again, that's just getting started. It's already done it for us 2 or 3 other times.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Thank you, Marley Mar. Wishing you a great day too. Thank you for stopping by. Please give some thumbs up on YouTube. Appreciate y'all. Nike. Yep, the weekly sell is hit. It's hit its blue line. It is a daily, weekly sell for Nike. More importantly, it is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop for Nike. Nike sell to $56.05. But the one I would look for is a leap, a long-term option for Nike, $83.59. Then it will be going to, and I love this take profit of $121.17 for Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Target. Target is also a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I just love Target. Daily sell. Daily sell stop target. Take profit $85.40. Daily weekly hit. 3-month buy. The play I would play on target is look for options that are leaps over a year, year and a half away. This is a 3-month buy stop on target, $123.28, and then it will go above $174.10. I love Nike, Target, Litecoin, gold, all of them right now as their buys.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, and Facebook. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. That sucked. There we go. Shit. Got to be careful. All right. So we're seeing through that and hearing through that, but this is the live one. If I ended the stream there, I'll see about that later. Okay. All right. That is Nike, Target, Litecoin, gold, silver, CVS. Love CVS. I have an option on this actually. CVS is a 3-month buy stop. CVS will be going past $84.57, $89.35, and then past $109. That is CVS. Shorter term, there is a sell. Let's see how low this is going to go. Maybe to the 90-minute. Let's see. No, how about 45-minute? Yeah, 30-minute. Yeah. Sell to the 30-minute blue line CVS, $77.29. I would never do a sell on CVS, but feel free. I would be patient and wait for this. I thought it was a daily. 12-hour daily buy stop CVS. Perfect for a shorter term option. Take profit $82.08. I would look for this particular option play to go out for about 3 months. I would look for an option that was expiring in 3 months and something expiring around $80. Dang on. Kirk Brown, hang out with friends in the Dominican Republic and trade. Nice, Kirk. Congratulations. What's up, Physique Pablo? QQQ is the same as our indices. I'll get back to the open the closer to open we get, but I've already called out the indices, Physique Pablo. CVS, 12-hour daily buy. Estee Lauder, daily buy to the blue line. Take profit, $127.40. I absolutely love this trade. Estee Lauder, I would be looking at a leap, 2 leaps to be exact. Long term, I would absolutely go out over a year, year and a half on these. I would take an option of about 130 because you can make some good money on that Estee Lauder daily leap. That is a very nice call. Demo trade only, of course.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Next. If it's only going to be the computer on this thing, maybe I could just leave this and use that one. Huh. You're welcome, Physique Pablo. All right, and that is Estee Lauder. Is everybody out there understanding what I'm calling these options for you? The options can be traded on any platform that trades option like PUBLIC Public. You could trade options on Webull, Robinhood, You can trade options on Thinkorswim. You can trade options on, well, anything. Any broker you guys like, you can trade options on. My cute little horse they should try. My little wife. I just love Precious. Best decision I ever made in my life is marrying Brie. I took the 10-minute MQ110 to the blue line since it was the only one below at the time. Nice. There you go. That is correct trading, Kirk. So now as Kirk in Dominican Republic, he's actually in Dominican Republic making money, demo trade only. I took the 10-minute MQ1 to the blue line since it was the only one. Awesome. Sevens, if you guys are understanding, do you want me to, let me rephrase this. Sevens, if you guys want me to call out the options as I'm calling out these symbols, yes or no? Sevens, yes, you want me to call out the options that you should look for, or nines, you should not. You don't want me to. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube, specifically TikTokers. Good morning, JL Habab. Good morning, Aussie Trader, A Patriots, El Chizio, Shepherd, Ed Cruz, The Griffey, SCMI Watch. Good morning, JL. So sevens, you guys do want. Good morning, Robert Lee. Paul Orlando. Okay, you guys do want me to do it. Okay, well, I do like the Estee Lauder one then. All right.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Damn. Hold on a second. I hear a little. Whoa, it's windy. Huh. That's all right. A little bit of wind. Copy invoice. I don't want to copy that. All right. You know what I can do maybe? Hold on. If the screen goes blank, I apologize. Shit. There's not enough buttons. Shoot fire. All right, let's see now. No. Well, I'm going to figure this out later. We'll figure that out later. All right. Morning, Mo. Good morning, Barani. Morning, 8 Ball. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. 30-minute sell for Verizon. Let's see. All right, Verizon. 30-minute buy to the blue line. Take profit $40.69 for Verizon. Actually love that trade, but hold on before I get too excited for that. 1 hour is good. Let me see the 5-minute. Yeah, no, very, very strong. I love this little Verizon trade because it's a nice quick one. Buy stop to the 20-minute blue line, take profit $40.22. The question is, can I get you in a better trade for an option? 4 hours sell, 10 hours sell, 12 hours, 12-hour daily sell, $38.63 for Verizon. Weekly buy, this is the part that we're going to get. Weekly. Oh, damn, it's still got the 3 weeks, so. Fuck. 6 month buy. Take profit $51 Verizon, $63.85 Verizon. I do really like this 20-minute buy stop if you want to do a real short-term option, maybe something in the range of, because you can go out a month easy. Just go out a month, 1 to 2 months on the option. You don't even have to do that. Technically, a week would be sufficient, but let's just call it the way it is. 30-minute buy. That shouldn't take long at all to get there. Maybe, yeah, within 2 weeks. We should be within a week, within this week, technically, you'll be fine. But let's just get the options out a little longer. Let's go a month or two on the options. I would do the strike price upwards of the high end of this, $40. So you can have your theta decay, so you can have your time. And then just look for a quick little punch up. I don't know how much that's going to net you on whatever platform you're using, but still a nice little option on that one. SMCI. 5-minute buy stop to the blue line, $44.39. SMCI. Let me see, why is there a difference here between this? See, we happen to catch that one. This is 3-minute. Buy to the 3-minute. Buy to the 5-minute. Buy to the 10-minute blue line on SMCI. 30-minute sell. Take profit $38.55. I would never, ever do a sell on any of these symbols that I am calling. I'm just doing that because some people like to make money on the way down and on the way up. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. It's already kind of gone there. 3 months. Monthly buy. 3-month buy. Yeah, it's a little too far along in my book. There's better, but SCMI is going to do what I said. There's just better symbols I've already called than SMCI. PFE. Let's take a look. Sell to where? Sell. Weekly. Sell to $22.14. But you need patience on this one. It's a 6-month buy stop. $39.12. $61.38.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Starbucks. Love that passion fruit tea. Starbucks. Sell. Let me see that 4-hour sell. Let me see this. Starbucks always a buy, but I do call what I see. Sell to $80.56. It's actually going to get you some good money here longer term, monthly, 3 monthly. Starbucks. $102.44. Take profit. Love that take profit. Flow. Flow, not what we want there. Let's see the weekly. No, 6 months. 3 months, 6-month buy stop, but let's see how low this is going to go. We seem to be in a nice sell here. Sell. $11.35. Then look for the 6-month, 3-month buy stop, which I happen to love. Love the, what is this? Like a $13, $15, $21, $25 for flow.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oxy. Let's see how low this sell is going. $39.74 on a 4-hour sell. I would never do a sell with Oxy, but feel free. You're grown-ass adults. 6-month, 12-month buy stop. Oxy is going to take forever, but $55.77 and $82.83 is where it's going.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
TM. I believe we did pretty good with this one already. We have a daily, weekly. Let me see that 12-hour did perfect. See that 12-hour buy stop right there? When did this happen? October. Damn. Oh, well. We have another 12-hour daily buy stop happening for TM. Let me see if this is going to go to that 1 hour first. Nope, my bad. Sorry. Let's see here. No, let's see, it's 30-minute. $15-minute sell to $200.19 on TM. I would never take a sell, but there is a little call for you for those of you who do like playing the down part. 12-hour daily buy. TM is going to go back to $205, and it's going to go over $208 like it's already done. That's already been called, actually. So that was been a perfectly called little symbol. AT&T, love it. It's been a perfect symbol. It's now we're getting into our closed group. Closed symbol. It's done everything I asked it to do and then some. 12-hour sell to $23.65 for AT&T. Then look for your weekly buy. I love this buy on AT&T. $25.60, $27.19, $29.17 for AT&T.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Bitcoin. Sell. 10-hour? Nope. Already there. 7-hour. 7-hour sell again. Bitcoin to $99,039.12 on a 7-hour sell. $82,225 on a 12-hour sell. I would never do a sell on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's always a buy until further notice. Bitcoin is a buy, and it's going to go to $110 again, $114,266 again. It'll go over $122,000, and it'll eventually go over $126,000, and that is for Bitcoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Morning, peeps. Ethereum is going to do the exact same thing. It's going to dip just like Bitcoin. Ethereum is going down to $3,094, $2,808, and then Ethereum is going up on a weekly buy, $4,075 and over $5,000 as I called before.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
XRP is another symbol I called out correctly since 31 cents. I consider it a closed symbol, meaning we've called it 100% accuracy over the last 3-4 years. XRP has been a 1,000% banger from 10 times your money, from 31 cents to over $3, and I'm calling it again. We have a 12-hour sell on XRP to $1.96. But right now, the only thing I would take for XRP is a buy. XRP is going to go above $3.26. XLM is the exact same play as XRP. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey, Jay Wynn, thank you. I don't think it's Thanksgiving yet, but I'll take it. Thank you. ASML, the 3-week buy stop in ASML ASML has hit perfectly. Everything is correct. All take profits have been hit. All take profits for ASML have been hit. It is now again a closed trade. I'm not going to call it anymore. Amazon, all take profits for Amazon been hit. I've been calling Amazon since it's been $91, $93 a share. I specifically called it this time last year on 8/8/2024 at 133. Either of those times you've either doubled or tripled your money with me with Amazon. Amazon is considered a closed symbol. I'm only going to call it because I love Amazon. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can on Amazon.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Look at John Parker from Atlantis, the Bahama Atlantis. How is it there, John? I've heard good and I've heard bad about Atlantis. We almost scheduled to go there, but then I heard it's a little outdated, like things are in the 90s and stuff on that one. Hopefully you're having fun though. Netflix, I'm not calling Netflix anymore. It's just too high. I've called it 100% accuracy over the last 3 years. NVIDIA, again, 30-minute buy stop only on NVIDIA. It's done everything I've asked and then some. NVIDIA is just too high right now. I'll do any 30-minute buy, but that's all I'm going to call on that one. Johnson & Johnson. I couldn't call it any better. Couldn't be any happier. It's done exactly what I've told you it would do. It's done it over and over again. I called it to $143. Look at this shit. Everything has been accurate. Everything. I would still do any 30-minute buy stop on J&J, but that's just me.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Is XRP going to go over $4? I didn't call that 8, Paul, did I? I will recall it later on as it gets closer to that. Do I think it's going to go over $4? Yes, I do. Did I call that? No, I did not. Costco. I just called this one from one of our members. Costco, take profit $1,004. Love it.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
McDonald's. I'm not calling anymore. I've called it correctly for the last several years. I'm good. Microsoft. Do you like that 12-hour buy? Hold on. Daily buy. That's tempting. No, we're too far away. I'm not calling Microsoft anymore. I've called that correctly for years. Hilton, I've called that correctly for the last couple of years. Not calling it anymore. Google. Now I've called Google correctly. I'm not calling it anymore. Apple, also called correctly. Not calling it anymore. Tesla. Again, I haven't gotten my billion yet from Elon Musk, but if he wants to talk to me about this so I can make these call outs for you guys daily, I will. Which I already do, but I mean, I would do it in more detail for you guys at that point. Tesla, it's still a buy, but I'm done calling. I've called it out correctly. Here's one that's not done. United Healthcare, 12-hour sell. How low is she going to go? Let's see. Already did it. 30-minute, 1 hour, daily, weekly. Sell to the weekly blue line, United Healthcare. Sell to $255.19. I would never do a sell on United Healthcare. United Healthcare is strictly a monthly, 3-monthly buy. Take profit's already been hit on a lot of them, but $357, $426, $466. I love take profit of $546. If I was going to do an option, I would be looking at United Healthcare. Where would I get in at? Once United Healthcare hit $259, I would then start looking for options on United Healthcare. What options would I look for? I would look for leaps, long-term ones, over 6 months, over a year. I would go out a year and a half. I would look for, because it's going to go here, $450 strike price, which means you can have a lot of time and you can have a lot, because you know where it's going and when it's going there with the system. United Healthcare leaps at $450 out a year, year and a half, or longer if you wanted. I mean, you're talking instant money. You'll get money within the next several months, 2 to 3 months. You'll be in a good bit of money. 100% return, 50 to 100, 200% return on your money. And that's for United. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay, next, NVO. Monthly buy stop. Where's that cell going? How low can she go? This is for NVO. It's already hit take profits on those cells. I'm good with the sell part. Oh, we can go to the weekly. Sell NVO, $39.18. Then I would look for the monthly, 3 monthly buy, and I love this trade. This is a very good trade right here. $54.17, $66, $80.93. I love take profit of $107.81. So for NVO, I'd let it dip a little further, let it go down to where I told you. As soon as it hit that number, I would look for the buy stops on the options, the leaps. These are monthly. It's going to take a long time to develop, and I would look for that strike price of $105, and I'd be looking at a year out, maybe a year and a half out on those options for NVO. I thought, and when I have called it to over $4. I didn't call it this morning to over $4, did I? What's up, Qualcomm? QCOM, look at that 12-hour buy. When the fuck did that hit? Oh my gosh, look at Qualcomm go. Damn, that was gorgeous. Those 12-hour buys, I'm telling you, right now, it's probably a 10-hour buy. Yeah, right at 10-hour buy stop. So Qualcomm, let me make sure we're not doing something funny. Hold on. Qualcomm. All right, we have a sell Qualcomm to $165.98. So once Qualcomm hits about $167 or so, somewhere around there, $166.70, I would then turn to Qualcomm long-term options, leaps. I would then look for this to do a 10-hour, 12-hour buy stop. I would look for my leaps to be at $180. And then I would go, okay, $180 leaps. How many do I want? I would take out somewhere in the range of 2 to 3 of those. And then I would keep adding my position if it kept falling. So that's for Qualcomm. I love this Qualcomm leap option buys, demo only. I love them. They're fantastic.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Disney. 12-hour sell. Let's see how low that's going. 5-hour. 4-hour sell Disney to $109.61. I absolutely adore the Disney weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Then we have to grin and bear it for a minute, but it's going to go up on the 3-month, 6-month. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I love Disney at $143.48. But if Disney can go back down to about $88 again, man, I would get some long-term leaps. Look for that 140 mark on my strike options, and I would definitely get some Disneys. Wow. Very nice. Intel, I know a lot of my members made a lot of money on Intel. Intel's been called out directly. We called it out down here at $24. It's gone up to $42. It's doubled in value. Intel is not done going up. I don't know who the Einstein was to say that no one's using Intel chips. Please refrain from saying that again. This is a buy stop to $45.33 on Intel. I love the Intel trade.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Martin Lewis. Good morning, buddy. Match.com, also called Mitch. Let's see what she's doing here. Sell, sell, sell. Sell to $30.48, but I would never do a sell on this one. I love Match. $36.78. I love $43.69 on Match. FedEx.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Look at
advisor.
FedEx go. That 12-hour buy I told you about back in here. This had to be October. It was 12-hour buy stop on FedEx. It's a month later. Look at it. All the money you would have made on that. Holy shit. FedEx has hit all take profits as I called out. I'm not calling out any further FedEx.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Is that correct, says Gorliano? I will look at that, Gorliano. What's up, Erica? Good morning, Erica. P&G. Remind me of that, Gorliano, because I have to get back to you in a second. P&G was a sell. How low is she going here? 134 on P&G for a sell. I would never do a sell on P&G. I call those because I have a lot of members who like to take the trades on the way down and up. This is a monthly buy stop. This is going to take a long time to develop, but it's a get there. 152 and 165.87. Who was the joker that was in here the other day? God, I'm so glad I took time off or I had to kill him. The clown that was in here. Oh, anyone can call the ups. Really? Is that right? I'm on here every fucking week. Yes, I haven't missed a week in over 3 years, 4 years now in January. I've always come on. I've always called out exactly where these are going with exact ups, exact downs. I came within dollars and cents of most of these calls I make, and I do it on a consistent basis to help the trading community as a whole. I don't have to be here, obviously. I'm here to try to help you all. And I'm not going to listen to any fucking bullshit from every last one of you saying anything negative about me or the system, and especially not my beautiful wife. If anyone doesn't like what I do, get the fuck out and leave. I don't need you here. I don't want your fucking negativity. Just leave us the fuck alone. EQIX. Monthly buy. Take profit $875.84. Kevin, any way you can add a channel in Discord where all the members can hop on a call together? Of course we can do that. We're not going to do that. What's up, LSU? Good morning to you. Now, I've seen you call time after time, and they're all come true. It's incredible. I know, right, Gorliano? I don't have time for doubters. I'm not in the mood anymore. I'm just not going to tolerate. I never tolerated in the first place. What the fuck if I'm ever tolerating any doubters anymore? Go fuck yourselves. If you don't like my system, if you don't like making consistent profits, if you don't like me sharing things for free and giving out all these calls for free, fucking year after year after, go fuck yourselves. How about that? Just leave. If you like what I'm doing, stay and share it. JHX, it was a sell to the 12-hour. It's hit all that. Now we're looking JHX to kick in 3-month, 6-month buy stop. $19, $23, $28.56. Gorliano, the system is awesome. Just need to understand it and able to buy by the rules. Correct. Correct. Tommy used to do that LSU. I don't have time to go on and create any kind of Discord channels and all that. I'm not doing that shit. I'm just not. I don't have time for that shit. Love you all, but I'm giving you enough of my time as it is. All right, ED. Remember, this is the one that was going to go down first. Gee, it did. ED hit its 12-hour blue line. It's going to go back down to $95.89 for ED. Daily, let's see. Hell, it can go down to $93.72 if I didn't just say that. Weekly buy. Weekly, 3-weekly buy. ED will go down first and then go to $104.47. We already have Discord. I know they already have all kinds of Discord channels. I'm out of the fucking loop. I'm not dealing with that shit. I go for my moods with Discord. I'm getting rid of it. I'm crushing it. I'm deleting it. I'm annihilating Discord, the general Discord. And then other days I'm like, it's fine. And since Tommy got Discord going for us, I'm going to leave it up for Tommy's sake. But Discord in general kind of been a pain in my ass. I'm not a big fan of Discord at all. Monthly buy stop TTD. Sell stop down to $34.87. On the buy, the only thing I would do with TTD is a monthly buy, $60.97, $80.63. It'll go above $100, and that's TTD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
No, please don't. It helps. I know it does. But then again, I don't have time to thank God I have moderators, but it just pisses me off when I have to spend time over there. Good morning, Adam Knapp. Good morning on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. And now somebody wanted me to look at something. Discord is awesome, bud. Yeah, no. Discord's awesome to you guys. Discord is not awesome to me, bud. Bud, that's a new one. What's up, bud? Hey, bud. Yeah, I'm not in that conversation. So NAS, okay. Someone asked if NAS is going to go. By the way, those are all my call outs. All
demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
NAS, 15-minute blue line, then selling on the 1 hours is correct. I don't know. Let's take a look. We called it out in detail, 15-minute buy. Well, we're definitely going to be heading up to that 15-minute blue line. That is a fact. 15-minute buy stop to the blue line, NAS, and I'm sure NQ1. Let's see. NQ1 to the 15-minute blue line, SPX. Already added. Let me see YM1. Already added, US 30. Already added. Okay, ES1. Okay, take any buy stop you can, especially on NQ1 and NAS. Thanks to the great Grilliano. 15-minute buy, NAS and NQ1. All indices will be going up, but that is where that is heading. Before that occurs, though, let me make sure on our sells here. Yeah. 15-second sell stop. Good. ES1's already hit it. SPX already hit it. YM1's already hit it. 15-second sell to the blue line. NQ1 and NAS. You could just wait for that to do what it's got to do. And then 1 minute buy stop NAS. Yep. I would only do the buys. I'd never do sells on any indices. Yeah, we already called those take profits. I'm good on that. Let me go back to the 1 hour. Now let's see. 1 hour sell. It's technically a 2 hour sell for NAS. 2 hour sell. How low is that going to go though? 2 hour. To the 30-minute blue line, $25,289.30. I would never do a sell with any of these indices until further notice, as I just repeated multiple times. 12-hour buy. Love the 12-hour buy. 12-hour daily buy. All indices. Now let me get over to here. Let me see my oh, let's go out of there. Oh, let's get over to here. Yeah, 15-second sell, NAS and NQ1 to the 15-second blue line right here. These will turn red right here for you soon. I'm going to have to reload all that. Let's fucking look at all those blue lines. Holy fuck. Just gorgeous. Look at all those buys, correct. Oh, yeah, that's amazing what you're watching right there. That's fucking amazing. Some of you don't even know what this is. Boom. Man, you guys don't even have a clue of what you're looking at. If you had a clue of what you're looking at, your mouse would be on the floor dropped. You'd be like, how the hell does this system call out every trade up and down 100? Look at, you can clear, okay, if you guys are nothing else, and I know my brother's colorblind, so I can't really pick on colorblind people, but you can kind of see clearly when the blues started firing off, things then went up. I mean, I don't want to be, but it's just that easy. See your 1 hour look. See how it switched from orange to blue and then it went up? That's all you have to know. That's it. It's so easy. Look. Then going down and then it switches. See your 1 hour up, minute 1, 30 seconds. These are the signals that you're seeing right here. And yes, I'm positive the 1 minute signal worked perfectly. I'm 100% positive the 30-second buy worked perfectly. If nothing else, you can see when this 1 minute was called, and you can see price action go straight up through the roof. And the 1 hour was called, and it went straight up through the roof. Just look at this. It's just fucking amazing what you're witnessing here. It's just fucking amazing. I mean, there's systems, and then there's this. Just incredible. I mean, again, you guys don't need to be rocket scientists. Look, this is orange. This turns to blue. When it goes to blue, it goes up. When it goes to orange, it goes down. I mean, hello. Yeah, we're right, but my system doesn't work. Yet every one of these calls is 100% accurate. Oh, well, there's a blah, 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 blah. Look at it. All accurate. Every time. No questions asked. Just amazing to me. The orange lines are the sells. We don't call sells with the system. We only call the buys. And then the blue lines are your buys. Fucking incredible. We have about, I don't know, 10 minutes to market open? 11 minutes to mark. I'll be hearing my alarms go off here soon. Hey, coach, I had to step out. Missed it. Nope, already called that for you. If you have time. Yes, sir. Good morning, Jake. LSU, buy the system. Thank you, LSU. How low do you think the 1 hour would possibly go? Don't really care. We just want it to go really low so we can make more money on the way up. Think it will only go to the 1 minute? No, I do not. The Bree bot. It's amazing, says Grilliana. Looking at greatness. I agree with that statement. Is it the Bree? Not. This is Jamie Rowe. No, that is not the Bree bot. This is what you get when you spend $350. This is the $350. You get all of these. What happens is we have a signal room for the Discord for $350 a month. And then you get the actual indicators on your charts that send the signals out. This is our well, this is the foundation of the Bree bot, but this is our signal service is what you're looking at right here. Yeah, you notice anything? See when the blue hits? Boop. Orange hits over here, goes down. I just love Keith. Thank you, Keith, for everything you did for the system, sir. Keith Rooney. Take my money, Kevin says Blackstone. Okay, we're our witness of greatness. Okay, market open is almost here. I'm going to be leaving right after market open. We have about 9 minutes. Yeah. No, this goes on your charts if you guys ever wanted the signal service. We have about 50 people or so in the tier 3 signals. I would recommend hundreds and hundreds of you be in this in the signal service, but what do I know? You notice how they fire off? One of the things you guys need to pay attention to. On these buys right here, you'll see the hourly, then you'll see the 3-minute, and so on and so on and so on, repeating over and over again. The point being there is the hourly, the 1 hour will trigger it, and then you go in on the other ones, meaning the 3-minute. Oops, hold on. The 1 hour, then you start trading inside of the 1 hours. Poof, 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 poof. And you notice you don't get just one chance at the buy, you get multiple chances at the buy. Pretty handy. All right, TikTokers, any questions? YouTubers, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, X's. Any questions from you guys on TikTok? Welcome everybody on TikTok. Welcome everybody on Twitter and Twitch and Facebook. Oh, good. We're pushing over 100 people this morning. That's really good. I haven't been on in the last 10 minutes. Market open in 7 minutes. Market open in 7 minutes. Please not trade market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
No questions from anybody on TikTok. No questions from anybody on YouTube. What's up, Kev O'Connell? Thank you, Kev. No, this is not the Breebot, to answer your question again. But this is the Breebot right here. Yeah. This is the Breebot right here. And this is an official Breebot call right there. Doop, 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 doop. Pop. Gee, I wonder if that was the correct entrance. It says 1,000 pips later. Yeah. Fucking incredible what you're witnessing. This right here is the signal service, right? This right here is the foundation of the Breebot. All this correct coding Keith had done is correctly coding the new Breebot. And no one has any questions. All right, fine. 6 minutes to market open. Let's take a look. All the buy stops are in the money. NAS and NQ is in the money, as I called out for you guys. Five seconds, huge in the money. Nothing you can do at this point. There we go. There'll be another 5-second buy stop form here. It needs to pull back down before we can get back in again. I told you about the NAS and the NQ1 buy stops. I told you what to do on those. You should have listened. Now you got to wait and be patient. We need to pull back on any of the indices before market open over the next 5 minutes. So there's nothing I can do for you guys.
All right. Just a few minutes before market open. I'm going to leave right after market open. I'm specifically looking for a buy at market open, but I got to get somebody to dip down. I don't know. You're about to see a buy stop here. You're going to see the pink come up, cross the purple, go to the blue. This gap will fill in. Hopefully price action will come down further, hook, and then come back up. This is what I'm looking for right here. We need that. We need this to come down here and then come back up like that. We need this right here to hook and come up like that to this blue line right there. So we need that pullback first. Good. NAS is falling back down. SPX is falling back down. ES1, good. They're all falling back down now. 5-second buy stop NAS. 3 minutes to market open. Do not play market open. If you're going to play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Buy stop NAS, buy stop US 30 in 2.5 minutes for market open. Let this dip. The further this goes down, the better. I want it to go down even a little bit further. There we go. Nice. And we'll just sit here and wait now. We're in zero rush for anything. The further this goes down, the more money we'll make on the way back up. So just be patient. Whew, I am going as soon as market open. I might not even finish market open. I don't know. Matter of fact, let's end the stream. I'm going to end the stream on the one, but I think it'll stay going on this other. If I lose you all